Hey y'all, happy new year. Welcome to 2019. It's Vanessa here and I am back with another video and I'm so excited to be in 2019. The coming of 2019 seems so refreshing. I don't know about you guys, but for me I just feel like 2018 was so terrible. 2019 got to be amazing. It's just, I've never felt this way about any year before. I've always felt like whatever, we're on to the next year. But I actually feel like 2019 is going to be great. Somebody even wrote me and said, Vanessa, 2019 is going to be the best year of your life. And I believe her. I hope you are having a great start to your new year. And I'm just excited to announce that we have reached 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I cannot believe it. I'm super duper excited because I just remember when I had 1 subscriber and then 2 and then 500, 1,000, 5,000, and then boom, here I am at 10,000 subscribers, y'all. And I couldn't be more excited. I couldn't be more grateful at the same time that 10,000 people clicked on that subscribe button for me. I'm sorry for this long introduction, you guys, but I'm just so grateful that my channel has flourished in the way that it has. Being that I feel like it's my baby, it's a part of my identity, it's who I am. So I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to take a little dab of it. I want to put that on my lids. And the reason why I do this is I use it as a base for my eyeshadow, and it also brightens up the eyes. As you can see, I'm just blending it upwards. The concealer is still wet, so I'm going to take my Sasha Buttercup powder and my MAC 224 brush. And as you can see, I'm just patting it on there with my brush. Reason why I'm doing that, I'm just locking that concealer in place and giving myself a pretty canvas for shadow. For my eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. It's so gorgeous. I've already played in it a little bit. And I'm going to use this palette because I've never used it on camera. And I just wanted to come up with a look. This is Access, and I'm also going to pick up Agent right here. And I'm going to just kind of blend that into my crease with that brush. That color Access is super pretty. I'm just loving how it's just really nice in the crease. And then next thing I'm going to go into is this shade right here, and it's called Smooth Criminal. It's like a brown. I'm going to lay that right in the middle of my crease. That's really pretty. You guys see that? I'm loving this. Now it has taken me a century to blend it out, but they're really nice shadows. And it's, I love this palette because you can get it at Ulta. It's really a little bit hard to blend out, but if you just work it, you'll be able to blend it out to perfection, honestly. I'm gonna go in with this shadow here. It's called Prowl. I'm going to place that on the outer lids. I'm just using my 224 brush to kind of blend it out. So I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape. And then with that in the middle of the lids, I'm going to pick up this beautiful shade here called Classified. And then in the middle of that green, I'm going to take this shade right here called Coin. And I'm going to take that, I'm going to put that directly in the middle. I decided to just kind of go over that Classified color because I really like Coin. It shows up really pretty. In with Prowl. Lashes I'm going to be using are by Voss. I got them from Target. I saw them and I love them, so I thought they would go really pretty with this look. They're really pretty. Don't know if they're worth $10 Target, but they were really pretty. Oh, this color is stunning, y'all. I'm gonna just hurry up, speed through my foundation routine, and then I'll just come back to finish off with highlighter, blush. All right, so I've just completed my foundation and concealer. I'm looking a little white. But to set, I'm gonna be using a new powder today, finally a new powder. This is the Huda Beauty powder, and it's their Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Blondie. I like to apply it with a brush, and it does have like a perfumey smell to it, but you get over it as soon as it touches your face. Around my mouth, just some places where I knew I'll be oily. So I'm gonna go back into this palette here, up Secure again along my lower lash line, very lightly. I'm gonna go also into Smooth Criminal. Go ahead and dust that powder into my skin. I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and this is just when I really want to be glam. This just makes your skin really flawless and takes away any flashback. I like to take my MAC Studio Fix, and this is in the shade NW45. Use this. I want to give my cheeks a little bit of a warmer tone. Radiance Pressed Powder in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I love this powder, as you can see, and I just use this to really hug my cheeks. See how I'm just bringing color back into my skin. And this is Burnt Pepper by MAC. I think MAC has really beautiful blushes. I'm just gonna add that to my cheeks. I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized. Now what is this? I'm going to take Fix Plus by MAC. I want a really blinding highlight today, so I'm going to take Sugar Daddy by Artist Couture, and I think their pigments are really pretty. I'll just take whatever's on left here, and I like to really place a highlight where the light shines on my face, and that's right there. Not so much here because the light isn't there, but on my cheeks is where I like to put my highlighter. On my nose as well. I also like to put it on my brow bone to really glam it up. So now everywhere I turn, you can see that I am highlighted. And then I'll go in with that same highlighter, and I'll put it here as well to blind the haters if they're looking. So I can blind them from the corners of my eyes. See the difference? What's the difference? Of course, we're going to do a nude lip today. So this is Kiss New York Luxury Lip Pencil and Roasted Coffee. I've been loving the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquers. I have the shade Tease, but this one is called Unreal. Yeah, Unreal. And I really have been wanting to try it, so here goes. I feel like my lip color is supposed to be like a deep plum or something. So I went digging and I found this Amore matte lip cream. This is by Milani in the shade Sugar. Alright, so I'm feeling this makeup. Let me just get my hair together and I'll be right back to tell you guys how I feel about the look. I am in love with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette because oh my gosh, you guys, I practically used a few colors and I achieved this super glam look. So if you haven't pick this baby up, I suggest you go do it. I have the Bling Boss palette, which is the purple one. This is the Bling Boss palette. So both palettes are really, whoa, let me open it. Both palettes are super, super gorgeous and I am in love with this, especially that color coin. It's just so beautiful. Like, look at that. A little bit on my eye now. See, look at the pigment, how it just picks up so pretty. I just want to say I'm so happy that I finally reached 10,000 subscribers. Like I never thought I'd be this far, and I know to some people 10,000 isn't a lot, but for somebody who started from scratch and who did this for 3 years, I feel like I'm really, really excited. I can't believe I made it to 10,000 subscribers, you guys, and I'm just so grateful that you guys, you know, subscribe, you keep coming back, you keep watching. Because little do you know, you are supporting me in my dreams here on YouTube and being able to just be myself. And I just love y'all. So thank you for rocking with me. And I'm going to just keep going hard in 2019. You feel me? Love y'all. Peace.